A newly born baby's heart beats 120 to 140 per minute. When a new baby is born, he or she has 300 bones. But after he or she becomes an adult, the bones become 206 only. A human body carries 600 muscles. The longest organ in the human body is skin. Do you know the human body contains nearly 100 trillion cells? The largest cell in the human body is the female egg and the smallest is the male sperm. The brain is much more active at night than during the day. Strange, right? During your lifetime, you will produce enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools. Wow. Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Women's hearts beat faster than men's. Your eyes are always the same size from birth, but your nose and ears never stop growing. On any given day, sexual intercourse takes place 120 million times on Earth. The brain itself cannot feel pain.